You said shitloads of cones on the road. I think that's near enough cone hotline. You'll get a point. No points for you, Jonathan Joe. Finally, we saw the children of Goldsmiths Community Hall performing an unusual school play. What event were they acting out?
It was hard not to get this one. It's Dolly the sheep being cloned, wasn't it?
Yeah, there was a huge story of the
cloning was
90s.
a big story back then, and it was in the 90s it first took hold, and that's when Rod Stewart learned that he could just clone his previous wives and keep marrying a new version.
Yeah, of course, that's the positive side of cloning. The negative effects, Jedward.
But I thought it was a bit weird to clone a sheep because they all look the same anyway, so you could have just got one from the field and gone, look, they're the same.
I think that was their plan B, had things not gone brilliantly. They went... Did you get this, Lee? Do you remember Dolly the sheep?
I remember, I went out with her.
OK, Bob, Richard.
Yeah, we got Dolly the sheep.
Yeah. That's right. It's a new era of fact.
Fact 4. The only actual difference between the Dolly and the sheep was the original Dolly was from Northumberland, yeah, and it used to go bah, and like it was cloned in Sheffield, so it was bah.
Well, that is true. Animals do have regional accents.
Yeah, they do.
That is true. They have regional
Ducks have
accents.
accents.
They do.
They seriously do.
Surely that's bullshit.
No. you tell much about a Liverpudlian duck on your own head, do you?
OK, so you will get...